Welcome to Animated Maths for All, Series 1, Maths No Myth. In this video, we will explore mathematical concepts in an engaging and animated way. We see John cycling on a dirt track through the paddy fields during sunset. This is a map of the area where John is cycling. It shows a clear path around 4 paddy fields and various landmarks. Animath International School students are training for a cycling competition, cycling around fields near their school for exercise. The map indicates that one side of the total field measures 200 meters. The field is divided into 4 parts, and the total length of one side is 200 meters. John wants to calculate the total distance he cycled around the field. The students are in the classroom, discussing the paddy field survey planning and looking at the map. This magnified view of the map highlights the 200 meters length of one side of the square-shaped field. John cycled around the field once. Since the field is square, each of the 4 sides is 200 meters long. To find the total distance, we add the length of all 4 sides, 200 meters plus 200 meters plus 200 meters plus 200 meters. This equals 800 meters. A student correctly calculates the distance John cycled. 200 meters plus 200 meters plus 200 meters plus 200 meters, totaling 800 meters. Another student points out that the total distance calculated is the perimeter of the square, which can be found using the formula 4 times the length, or 4xl. Using the perimeter formula, 4 times 200 meters gives us 800 meters, confirming the total distance John cycled. The students learn about the concept of perimeter in a practical context by calculating the distance cycled around the square field. The constant 4 is the magic constant for calculating the perimeter of a square. It defines the linear relationship between the side length and the boundary of a square. The formula for the perimeter of a square is p equals 4s, where p is the perimeter and s is the side length. Let's review the steps for calculating the perimeter of a square. First, identify the side length, was. Next, apply the formula by multiplying the side length by the constant factor of 4. Finally, ensure the perimeter is expressed in the correct linear units. Here are some example calculations demonstrating the perimeter formula for different side lengths and units. For a side length of 5 centimeters, the perimeter is 20 centimeters. To explore perimeter physically, we can stretch our arms sideways and measure the perimeter of our classroom in arm lengths. If one side of the classroom measures 6 arm lengths, and 1 student stood in each corner, how many students stood on one side of the classroom? Write your answer in the comments section. The correct answer will receive recognition. The students are now standing along the perimeter of the classroom, demonstrating the measurement of the boundary. Imagine there are 3 students along one side of the square classroom, like the students here. How many students will cover the entire perimeter? Again, write your answer in the comments section. The correct answer will receive recognition. Finding the perimeter is an interesting and useful maths application. Find the perimeter of your classroom, living room, or playground with the help of friends. Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All series. Subscribe and continue your math journey with Animath International School students and learn the concepts clearly.